Good morning, everyone. That baby there is huge, isn't it? That's a Chlois. And look how big it is. It's massive, big and round. It was worth the money. There's my Limelight hydrangeas, Sun Impatiens, Impatient Empress, polka dots, begonias, Everillos, hostas, peace rose, caladiums in pink, caladiums in white, another Chlois, and that's my blue and black salvia. Hydrangeas, a little bunny rabbit, it's my Earth Angel Rose bush, and it's growing up too high. I need to cut it down a little bit so the rest of it can grow at the same speed. So I say this is a 90-foot circumference kidney shape flower bed, but I believe it's bigger than that. I need to do it again and take the measurements and a better view. Oh, let me. I never seem to get my statue. I call her the dirty girl. It's called Awakening of Eve. That's what they call her. And then water shoots out from the spout there at the bottom. I don't have it plugged in yet. That's her. Okay. You can see also in the background, my raised flower bed is full of caladiums and impatiens, potato vines, and all those good things. So, anyway, this is my 2001 flower bed creation. It's another caladium, a white one. This is nice though. It's full. I didn't grow this one from the bulb. This one came out of a pot that I purchased. It was much, much smaller, really small. And came out pretty good. And this is what I call the blue and black salvia. That's what they call it. The blue and black salvia. And this is my hydrangea flower. And I don't have any flowers coming from it. And this is, yeah. Okay. Pretty good. How you doing? It's one of my neighbors. Let's see. Oh, I always ruin my video. Always walking the damn dogs all the time. I guess can't complain. I have one now. All right. Sometimes they act like they're on the phone, and no, I'm not gonna say that. I'm not gonna say that. Scratch that, okay? Right. And look at this baby. This limelight. This baby is big. Look at here. And this is the green and white caladium. And this is the burgundy caladium. This one here is the green and white too. Look how big these leaves are. My hand. This thing is extremely big. And that's my little porch. I have a few plants on there. And when I get off the video here, I will be enjoying me a cup of coffee. So I'm going to give you a complete overlook again, okay, of my raised flower bed. I get up close sometimes and can't get the full view. Here's Linda Venters, I believe her last name is. Baskets, indoor and outdoor Kobo baskets, and you can purchase those on QVC. And this is the 12-inch, and it also comes with a pot inside. See, it catches the dirt, so it also waters from the bottom too. So if you have plants that need to be watered from the bottom, and instead of always watering all the time, that's a handy pan to have inside of your basket. It comes with it. And these are my 12 inches, and this is you can tell the difference in the size. The other one is my 11 inch. That's the 11 inch, and here's the 12. Yeah, and it's nice. And the star of the show, oh my God, look at these babies here. I have been waiting on these things to bloom for quite some time now. I mean, it's been about maybe 4 years now. And I guess the water from the snow kind of saturated the roots like it's supposed to. I've been seeing a lot of things pop out of my yard that I've never seen before. And so, thank God for the snow from last year. Look at these babies. These things are big. Look at that. And they're going to turn pink. They're going to turn a dark pink, light pink, and an even more shade of pinker pink. Even more shade of a lighter pink, in other words. So, this is called a vanilla strawberry. And this is what it's going to look like. You can also look it up. It's going to be beautiful. So, here's my vincas. And, you know, ladies, if you like a plant that lasts a long time in your flower bed and add that punch of color that you're looking for, purchase you some vincas, V-I-N-C-A. And they do very, very nicely. I noticed one of my neighbors uh, had her whole front flower bed just lined up with it. So it's like a border, and it looks very beautiful. Very beautiful. So remember Vincas. Had to get another glimpse at the vanilla strawberries. Okay, now here's my caladiums. Um, let's see here. Yeah, these are pretty big. I have some daisies in here too. Kind of stuck in here a little bit. I like the fullness and of my flower bed, so I like things to be kind of full a little bit. And this is a, let me see, what do we call this here? A sedum. This is a sedum. Look how big that is. It was in my backyard in a pot, so I brought it and put it here in a flower bed. And I would show you later on, it's going to get a big, thick flower on it. It's going to be thick and heavy. So, good morning. Now, my potato vines and some of my geraniums. Now, here. Now, this is where I hide some of my plants. I didn't want to cut the flower heads off yet, but I purchased this and at I think maybe at Lowe's, I do believe, and it was kind of, on its last limb. And so what I have to do, and which I have to find time to do these things, I have to deadhead it. Really, it's time to deadhead it as soon as the flowers stop blooming on it. And you cut it off now during the summertime, then to wait around the wintertime and cut it off. So I guess today I would take out time to do so, but this is a hydrangea. And see those buds there? See that? That's next year's bloom. All that's next year's bloom. Next year's bloom. The little buds there. Yeah. It's going to be quite a bit. So anyway, I don't want to lose these. And it's called Merited Pink Hydrangea. And this is what it would look like. Okay. All right. So anyway, I keep it back here because Texas heat is very hot, and it scorches the plants, and it kills them for hydrangeas. For some reason, you would think they would like a lot of sun. It'll tell you full sun, but that's not true. These babies cannot handle full sun, not the Texas heat. And here's another one here. I think it's the same type, yeah. Oh no, this one here is different. This is called the Red Beauty Hydrangea. Red Beauty Purple Hydrangea. There we go. All right. And so I will be treating these today. It's the same situation. But see those buds? And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to plant them back here, or probably, let's see, it'll be in this area. I don't know if I can zoom in. It'll be over there in that area there, because I have one hydrangea in there. So I kind of want the look. It needs a little full shade. And so what I do, I plant it there and keep it in shade. I would plant it here, but my husband comes back here to do a little work and trim the hedges. This thing will get too big to where you can't even trim it. So this is a butterfly bush. I had to sit it back here, so I had to deadhead it, but you can see. I don't know if you can see there. Okay, it's coming back. Look at there. So this is the proper place for it. Look like I need to put some more water in here too. Okay. So every morning I have to come out here and check my plants. My sago palm, I was waiting on it to come back. So look like we're gonna have to put this baby to rest. So there's nothing coming out of it. So the winter snow killed it, killed majority everybody's sago palms. And so people been doing a lot of replacements. So I guess that's what I'm gonna have to do too. Now this is a Mandevilla trailer, and the flowers are red, you can see. And you can see it's trailing all the way up, so I'm gonna have to train it to move around a little bit on this side, on the left side. Kind of fill that area up, so when the flowers start blooming, I'm gonna have to give some super bloom. Put some super bloom in it so it can start blooming. And it's gonna be very, very pretty once all the flowers start coming out on all those vines. Look at that. It's wrapped around, twisted up, triple. I'm supposed to have some flowers in here, but I have yet to do that this year, so I need to find something. I think I want something that kind of drapes over. Yeah. And give that beautiful look of something like a waterfall. But anyway, okay. And as we move here, it's a plumbingo, I believe, and it's coming out, and it will be okay. Yeah, because look like I need to give some water, because right there is where the flower will be. It'll be purple, okay, and that adds a nice accent color to the yard. Okay, so anyway, I just wanted to share all of this with you. And here's potato vine and another hydrangea, strawberry vanilla. I planted back here 4 years ago, and got one bloom so far. So, and here, let me show you this here. Now, this is a peace rose here. Peace rose bush. Yeah. And I need to treat it a little bit. But it gets quite a bit of blooms back here. I had it in the front of my flower bed, but it wasn't doing as well as it's doing here. So I want to kind of keep it because it stayed moist in this area. So that's a good thing. And these are two of my hedges, my backyard. And once I finish my patio and find somewhere for my dog to go, this will go against the wall in the backyard. And so I found these pots at Home Depot. And they're very nice pots. And so once I get that established, then I'll be able to set them up in the back. Isn't that nice? Yeah. Want it kind of in a topiary shape. A few of them down here, my little small ones. But anyway, let's see. Gonna head back here to the front.